Hello, my name is Michela Hørum, and I will in only 5 minutes tell you about an amazing concept who is called Ride to the Future, and how you can get a 100% automated income from already today without referring it to anyone. Who am I and what do I do? I'm a professional networker. I live from online marketing, affiliate marketing, and network marketing, and I have done that ever since 2013. So what is it I do? I join concepts, I test concepts, I review them, I make tutorials, and if they are good and worth sharing, I'm happily sharing them with my network. And Ride to the Future, that's for sure a program that is worth sharing. Ride to the Future, it's a trading company. You go in and you buy a trading package, and now professional traders trade this package for you. And in return, they give you up to 1.25% of your package price every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But best of all, that is that this package you go in and you buy first expire, your profile first expire, where you can go in and renew or upgrade your package when it has earned itself in 5 times. So example, if you start with a silver package to $1,000, it first expires with $5,000. So remember this, 500% and up to 1.25% daily. Like I said, you never need to tell it to anyone. Do you share it with anyone? There is an awesome compensation plan here, actually one of the best I have ever seen. You can get Rolex watches, you can get a full-time income, you can get a no-cap income actually. iPhones, iPads, even amazing cars. You can go in and watch all that in another video only about the compensation plan. This concept, it has been on its way nearly 2 years, and now it's ready for launch. So preparation in 2 years, you can here on the webpage watch their roadmap and see how they have prepared it. You can also see future projects. They actually already have 3 concepts more ready, but they are realistic and know a concept takes 2 to 3 years to develop, to test, and to integrate before it is ready to the market. But it's just to tell you, this is a sustainable business who already have a 10-year plans ahead of them.
Ride to the Future have a lot of different trading packs you can choose from. No matter which one you choose, there will be an activation cost on $49. It's a one-time fee, and all the prices I show here are in dollars. I have shown 5 different packages. You can even start with a small one to $100 plus $49 in activation fee, so $149, and you can buy packages up to $100,000. But these 5 are the most common packages in Ride to the Future. So we have a pack for $999, and it first expires when it has earned itself in 5 times, $4,995. If you choose a big silver package to $5,000, it will first run out with $25,000. This is pure passive income, which will say you don't need to refer this to anyone. So if you go in with a 5,000 pack, you will have a huge profit just going into your account every single day. Like I said, it's possible to have a package up to $100,000, and no matter which pack you have, it earns up to 1.25% every weekday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
How do you get started? You go in on Ride to the Future. First of all, you need to have a referral link from the one who have referred you to this video. Then you create your profile, you pay your profile, you pay in Bitcoin, you get withdrawals in Bitcoin, and you earn in dollars. And from there, you just look at your profile. The first 7 trading days, you don't have any trading. Number 8 trading days, now your profile start counting. And now you just enjoy your new income. And that was a very, very short presentation of Ride to the Future. And again, deeply recommend this concept to anyone. So now there is only left to wish you all the best and good luck with your new online income in Right to the Future. Bye bye.